Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate loan interest in Lendio. Lendio provides tools and details to help you understand how much interest you'll pay on your loans. Here's how to calculate it. First, log into your Lendio dashboard. Now open the loan that you want to review from the My Loans section. Now locate the loan summary, which includes principal amount, interest rates, as well as repayment terms. Now use Lendio's built-in calculator to estimate monthly payments and total interest. If no calculator appears, you can apply the formula interest equals principal times interest rates times loan terms for simple interest. For amortized loans, a Lendio repayment schedule already breaks down each installment into principal versus interest portions. You can download the repayment schedule to see how interest decreases as your principal reduces over time. For variable rate loans, you want to check lenders' updates regularly, as interest may fluctuate based on agreements. A quick tip: comparing multiple loan offers side by side in Lendio. This is going to help you before accepting one. It's definitely going to save you thousands in interest payments over time. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.